First, let's learn how to write the letter A. Get your paper and pencil ready. To write a big A, start at the top and draw a slanting line down to the left. Then, go back to the top and draw another slanting line down to the right. Finally, draw a line across the middle. Great job! Next up is the letter B. Watch closely. To write a big B, start with a straight line down. Then, draw two bumps, one at the top and one at the bottom. There you go. Now, let's write the letter C. To write a big C, start at the top and make a curve to the left. Easy peasy. Let's move on to the letter D. To write a big D, start with a straight line down. Then, draw a big curve from the top to the bottom. Next is the letter E. Ready? To write a big E, start with a straight line down. Then, draw 3 lines across it, one at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. Alright, let's keep going with the letter F. To write a big F, start with a straight line down. Then, draw 2 lines across it, one at the top and one in the middle. Next is the letter G. Ready to try? To write a big G, start with a big curve to the left, then add a small line to the right in the middle. Time for the letter H. To write a big H, draw 2 straight lines down and then connect them in the middle with a line. Let's write the letter I. To write a big I, draw a straight line down, then add a short line at the top and bottom. Next, the letter J. To write a big J, draw a straight line down, then curve it to the left at the bottom, and add a short line at the top. Now, let's learn the letter K. To write a big K, draw a straight line down. Then, draw a slanting line from the middle to the top right and another slanting line from the middle to the bottom right. Let's move on to the letter L. To write a big L, draw a straight line down, then add a line to the right at the bottom. Next is the letter M. To write a big M, draw 2 straight lines down, then connect them with 2 slanting lines in the middle. Now, let's write the letter N. To write a big N, draw 2 straight lines down, then connect them with a slanting line. Let's move on to the letter O. To write a big O, start at the top and make a big round circle. Next is the letter P. To write a big P, draw a straight line down. Then, add a curve at the top. Now, let's write the letter Q. To write a big Q, start with a big round circle like the letter O. Then, add a small line going down at the bottom right. Let's move on to the letter R. To write a big R, draw a straight line down. Then, add a curve at the top, and a slanting line from the middle to the bottom right. Next, we have the letter S. To write a big S, start at the top and draw a curve to the left, then curve back around to the right and down. Now, let's move to the letter T. To write a big T, draw a straight line down. Then, add a horizontal line across the top. Up next is the letter U. To write a big U, start at the top left, curve down and around, and then go back up to the top right. Next is the letter V. To write a big V, start at the top left and draw a slanting line down to the bottom, then back up to the top right. Now, let's do the letter W. To write a big W, draw a slanting line down, another up, then another down, and one last line up. Next up is the letter X. To write a big X, draw one slanting line down from left to right, then another slanting line from right to left. Now, let's write the letter Y. To write a big Y, draw a small slanting line down from left to middle, another from right to middle, and then a straight line down from the middle. Finally, we have the letter Z. To write a big Z, draw a horizontal line across the top, a slanting line down to the bottom left, and then another horizontal line across the bottom. Thank you so much for joining us today and learning how to write all the uppercase letters from A to Z. We hope you had fun and feel more confident in your writing skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep writing and soon you'll be a letter writing pro.